What do you want? You want... What do you want? Tell me. Are you having a bad day? You are? What happened? Is that right? Tell me what else happened. Is your brother making you mad? He is. What did he do to you? Hmm? What did... Oh my goodness, was it that bad? We've been doing this now for the last several seconds. Buddy, was it that bad? It was? Come here. Come here, buddy. That basket over there is filled with toys for my great-grandkids, if you're wondering what that is. Come here, buddy. Are you telling me no? All right, everybody. I hope you have a good day. I just want to share a conversation with you with my fur baby. Have a good day. Bye.